Hello everyone, this is Divya, and in this video I'm going to talk about different finishes of sequins. We have received so many questions regarding different finishes. So in this video I've decided to give a quick overview of different finishes. So let's start with transparent finish. These are see-through sequins. They could be of any color, but the main thing is you can see through these sequins. So next is opaque finish. As you can see, these sequins are non-transparent and solid colored sequins. This is the most dull finish among all the finishes of sequins. So this is basically opaque finish. Next is pearl finish. These sequins have a really nice gloss, but they do not have any shine. If you do not want to use a really shiny sequins or a really subtle sequins, then this finish would be perfect for you. Now moving on to the next finish, the rainbow finish. This finish is also known as AB finish. As you can see, these sequins have a really beautiful rainbow effect. If you want color variation in your designs, then this would be your right choice. Next is crystal finish. This finish is really shiny, and no other finish is shinier than this finish. To achieve this shine, a transparent shiny foil is placed on the sequins. If you want to add sparkle to your designs, then this finish would be your right choice. This finish is perfect for party wears. So if you want to add sparkle to your designs, use this finish. So these were the 5 different finishes of sequins. There are so many finishes out there, but these were the basic finishes. Now let's talk about metal sequins. These sequins are made of brass metal, and they were mainly used for the ornamentation of royal attire. Nowadays, these sequins are used for embellishment of wedding wears. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please leave your suggestions in the comment section.